doesn't like to be on camera. He wants to be on the down low. So I got him a mask. He's gonna be the bearded breaker, because he's the one that breaks all of our exotic cars. He's the one that pulls them apart 2-3 days, takes a Lamborghini and completely dismembers the car. But Curtis doesn't want to be on film. He likes to be, so I got him a mask. So we're gonna see. Let's see how this goes down. Curtis, you can see him. Don't. Turn the other way. I got a little surprise for you. It's your father.
No,
dude, it's cool as shit. Put it on. Let's see. Come on. This is gonna be fun. No one's ever gonna. They're gonna. Who's the fucking bearded breaker? You're the bearded breaker. Here, put it on. Let's see.
Masturbating.
No, this is not. Yeah, you're fucking you're the bearded breaker, man. There he is. The bearded breaker coming soon. Fucking dude, nobody's gonna know who you are.
What the hell is that supposed to be?
He's the bearded breaker. That's the guy that takes Lamborghinis and Ferraris and just puts them in their grave. So I told him any footage he ever does of you, whether it's in here or there, whatever, you can have the mask on. And it's all the shit that's going down at all times, no matter what. They're gonna be like, there's the dude in the back with the fucking thing on. He's got the whoop whoop.
Found one is just a different style. That's the one that I've seen.
And you had to find this amongst all of this.
This sounds terrible. Don't ever say that again. I didn't ride no tranny. You're a liar.
You're right.
That never happened. Don't ever say that again.
You didn't get nothing.
That's right. Don't ask me for nothing, Paul.
I am glad Russ started the company so I could have a job. Aren't we missing one? Huh? Isn't there 4 on the car? No? We only got 3?
3
We're
wheel
missing
in it.
1. We can't use them unless we have 4.
Do you want this one?
Are you serious? You only got 3?
I got Continental spin.
Alright, well, we're gonna drain some fluids. Let's see what happens here.
What's that?
It's an oil cooler. And the oil goes in one side, starts going through these channels right here to get to that side. While it's doing that, air is being forced through these, and that's what cools it. Get a sawzall and get a little bit of a cut here, because I'm not. So I made a little slit here in the bottom of the bolt, so it looks like a standard screwdriver slot now.
Anyway.
Keep going. So got most of the interior parts out of this car and ECUs, getting it ready to go over to the other yard, getting it rain ready basically. Whatever's left there hopefully can be okay out in the rain. So, and now we've got Paul a lift freed up, and we have multiple cars coming in that are going to get broken, I imagine, as soon as they come in. Parts are probably already sold off of them before they even get here. It's pretty standard.
Pretty standard
these cars,
stuff, huh?
yeah. I think enough people said build it instead of break it. I was one of the people who voted for build it. I already broke one of these. Fun car to break, but this one didn't look like it was worth breaking. Very complete and very clean inside and out. So.
The bearded breaker.
How's that, boss?
You missing something?
I don't like that shit.